Right now it is morning, day 9, and we spent the night in the KOA. I'll show you a quick little setup of the KOA we are in. Amazing. We were in this little cabin last night, and it was not quite as good as a hotel, but it was nice because we all got to shower, we all got to do laundry, we all had our own bed, although the bed in the trailer, I think, was probably better than I bet I slept in last night. But day 9, it's time to start the ride back home, you guys. So kick back, enjoy. I don't know for sure how much I'm gonna record. If we get some really good stuff going on, I will record it and show you guys what's up. But it's been a phenomenal trip. It was incredible to see Glacier National Park on a side-by-side with a trailer, and good stuff. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. We're gonna get packed up and hit the road. Well, you guys, we have to say goodbye to Heath and Devin. You guys, it's been awesome. These guys are taking off a little bit early. They got some things they got to take care of at home. But you guys, this Honda has been amazing.
Excellent trip, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, it's been awesome. Heath has run lead the whole trip, and he's done a phenomenal job running in the lead, keeping us on pace. But you guys, check this out. This Honda is set up. Got the rugged radios. We got the iPod mount, or iPad. We got the phone mount. GoPro's up here. Lake Montana. Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, we're not just taking graded county side roads. We've seen some of the trails we've been on, but here's another good one. We're coming up. We are north of Missoula, Montana. And just so you know, it's not all graded county side roads or frontage roads. We got some good stuff. Day 10, you guys, we're headed home. It was a long day, 225 miles. It was great, good ride, no rain, no mud. This is where we camped last night, right off the freaking highway. We're in the middle of nowhere, Montana, and sheesh, the traffic. We're like 40 miles out of town. The traffic was crazy last night, but anyway, 4 cars. It was ridiculous. Anyway, get on your bikes and ride. Let's go, day 10. Day 11, we're gonna forget day 10 even existed. We skipped into the future. We're not gonna say anything about it. We're not gonna say anything about it, but day 11, we're rolling on. Okay, look, one side's clean, one side's dirty. We're gonna leave it right there. Woo, we're back on the road. Day 11, hitting the trail. Taking a little bit slow on this road. We are on the Rock Creek Road, and let's just say there's potholes in this road that go all the way to China. So yeah, let's ride. Day 11. Didn't get to film much riding today. It's evening, day 11. And look what we have for a sunset. Oh, here's camp for the night. We're about 15 or 20 miles south of Butte. I don't know the mountain range. They all blend together anymore. On night 5, we camped down the road about 5 miles. So we're right in the same vicinity as night 5. But we are doing some serious food, you guys. Tonight, we are doing stuffed bell peppers. Oh, I'll show you more. You gotta check this out.
There you go, Lenny.
This is extreme overland. Oh, look at this, look at this. Da 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 da. This is extreme overland food. Loaded cornbread, stuffed peppers. Oh my gosh. You guys. We're eating good. Day 12. Slept really good last night. All right, you guys, peak refuel, breakfast burrito style. We got the breakfast skillet going on to the burrito. You guys, this makes an amazing breakfast burrito. Check this out. How easy is that? And tasty? That's what I'm talking about. Thanks, Peak Refuel. Good stuff. Just coming into Twin Bridges, you guys. Butte, Montana to Twin Bridges was great. That's one of my favorite parts of the whole trip. Beautiful area. Welcome to Island Park. This is the McCrae Bridge campground. We're hanging out. We got here a little bit early, and it's time to fix up some supper, but we're right here on the water. That's kind of cool, sitting over here watching some fish rolling down there. Oh, there's one right there. I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up or not. Oh, and look, some geese. Anyway, good stuff, you guys. 165-ish miles today, and we're tired. It's like I'm beat today. It's 6:30, and we're cooking up some food, and sheesh, I'll probably be in bed early tonight because of how tired I am. I'm more tired tonight than I think I have been any other night on the trip, and I don't know why. Anyway, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. This is the end of day 12.